Welcome to OSR YouTube channel.
OSR Easy Learning. In this video, we will explain the basic concepts of maths for kids part 2. In this video, we will cover details of multiplication and division with concepts and examples. In part 1 of this video, we give an overview of decimal number system, addition and subtraction with concepts and examples. Please refer to that video first. Link is in video description below. Our endeavor is to keep the video simple and interesting. Number concepts. A number is a count or measure of something. We say one apple, two friends, etc. We use decimal number system for our day-to-day measurement and calculation. Decimal number system has following digits in increasing or ascending order. So digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Place for digits at rightmost or first place is called units place or ones place. Once we reach till 9, the next number in units place restarts with 0 and we increase the digit on left hand by 1, something like this. So it becomes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Then again, since it has reached 9, so next number is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Now place for second digit from right is called tens place. It tells number of tens in a number, like the number 54 has 5 tens or 50. Table to your right shows what each place in a number is known as. So please look at this table and try to memorize it, like units, ones, hundreds, thousand, millions and billions, what these values are. Now can you think of something that you can count in tens? Think of it, guys. As of 0621 we have 28 Indian states. Now can you think of something that exists in counts of hundreds? Yes, anything, like hundreds of animals in a zoo. What about thousands, millions and billions? These are big numbers, right? So most of the countries have millions of people. India and China have billions of people. Now question for you. What comes after 9? So you'll have to revisit the concept. Since we have reached 9 in units place, we restart with 0 in units place and add 1 to tens place. So the next number is 10. What comes after 10? This is simple. Yes, we have 0 in units place. Next digit after 0 is 1. So next number is 11. Now what comes after 19? Again same as the first question. Think about it. Now since we have 9 in units place, we restart with 0 and add 1 to the number in tens place. So the next number is 20 or 20. Now what comes after 199? Little tricky. Think about it. Now units and tens digits are 9. So we add 1 to hundreds digits and make others 0. So next number is 200 or 200. On similar line, what comes after 1999? Now since we have 9 in units, tens and hundreds place, with same logic as in the above question, next number is 2000 or 2000. Multiplication tables and divisibility. Before going to multiplication and division, we need you to first learn and by heart the multiplication tables till at least 10. Multiplication tables till 10 have been put alongside. Please look at these tables carefully, guys, and memorize them. If you need a soft copy of our fancy multiplication table for kids, please send us an email at osr.easylearning@gmail.com with subject line fancy multiplication tables. Now please pause the video here to memorize multiplication tables. These will be very helpful for you. Okay, once done, let's proceed to the divisibility rules. Alongside we are showing divisibility rules for digits from 2 till 9. So if a number is divisible by 2, what would be the rule? If by 9, what would be the rule? Please memorize them. Multiplication basics. What is multiplication? Multiplication is the process of increasing a number or quantity by definite number of times. Example, you have 1 dozen bananas. You buy 2 more dozen bananas. Now, how many bananas do you have now? Yes, guys? We now have a total of 3 dozen bananas. 1 dozen means 12 bananas. So 3 dozen means 12 bananas counted 3 times. This is also called multiplication of 12 and 3. We can say we have 12 plus 12 plus 12 bananas, or we can simply say we have 12 into 3 bananas, meaning 36 bananas. So multiplication of first number with a second number is also same as adding first number second many number of times. In case of bananas, 12 into 3 is same as 12 plus 12 plus 2. So either ways we get a total of 36 bananas. Multiplication of two numbers doesn't have any order. So multiplication of first number with second number is same as multiplication of second number with first number. Let us look at an example of mangoes this time. So here we have 3 mangoes and 4 such sets. So let us count the number of mangoes here. So it is 12, right? There are 12 mangoes in this. Now next we have 4 mangoes and 3 such sets. Again count the number of mangoes here. Yes. Again there are 12 mangoes. So both cases. This also means that we can either add first number second number of times, or add second number first number of times. Multiplication mathematically. For single digit number multiplication, you need to by heart multiplication tables. These multiplication tables will be used here for multiplying any two numbers. We will demonstrate multiplication using an example. For multiplying two numbers like 254 and 78, you need to first write the numbers below each other and draw a line to put the multiplication of individual numbers. To make the multiplication faster, try to put the smaller number below the bigger number, like 254 and below that 78. First multiply units place of lower number with all the digits of the upper number from left to right individually. Write down digits at units place of product and carry forward digits at tens place. Something like this. Okay. So multiply 8 with 4 to get 32. Write 2 down and carry forward 3. Okay. Again multiply 8 with 5 to get 40 and add 3 to it, which was carried forward earlier, to get 43. Now write down 3 and carry forward 4. Again multiply 8 with 2 to get 16 and add 4 to it. 4 was carried forward earlier to get 20. Since this is last digit multiplication, write down 20. Repeat the above with tens digit of lower number. Since the multiplier is at tens digit, we will write the numbers from tens place like this. So units place we are crossing it out. Okay. So again we will multiply 7 4 28, 2 carry forward, 7 5 is 35 and 2 37. 7 comes down and 3 goes as carry forward. 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 17, right? So we write down 17 like this. Now we draw a line. Next add the above two numbers. 2 plus x or 0 is 2, write down 2. 3 plus 8 is 11, write down 1 and carry forward 1. 0 plus 7 plus 1, 1 was carried forward, equals 8, write down 8. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Write down 9. Finally, 1 is written down. So the product of 254 and 78 is 19812. Please pause the video to understand the logic. If needed, please replay this portion of video. It is important to understand this logic. Using this logic, you can multiply any two numbers. Once you are sure of this logic, let us proceed further. Multiplication examples. Concept of multiplying two bigger numbers and two smaller numbers remains the same. We will practice multiplying bigger numbers here with two examples. Below we are rephrasing the steps required to complete the multiplication. First, write the number below each other and draw a line to put the multiplication of individual numbers. To make the multiplication faster, try to put the smaller number below the bigger number. First, multiply units place of lower number with all the digits of the upper number from left to right individually. Write down the digits at units place of the product and carry forward digit at tens place. Repeat the above step with next digit on left side, that is tens place of multiplier. Write down the product below earlier product but after leaving a gap or 0 at units place. Repeat till the last digit of multiplier. Now add all the individual products to get the final product of the two numbers. Example, multiply 2, 8, 5, 6 and 84. So we write down 6 4s are 24, right? So 4 and 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. Write down 2, carry forward 2. 8 4s are. So now you see how the multiplication tables are so important, because you need to quickly multiply two smaller numbers. So we will keep writing all the numbers and finally we have to add. Here the multiplication tables are very important. That's why I had asked you guys to first by heart the multiplication tables. So here just two digit number is there. So we will now add. It's a simple addition which we have already covered in the previous video. It should be very simple for you to add these two numbers, right? So the final product of 2, 8, 5, 6 and 84 we get as 239904. Okay. Second example, let's look at multiplying 2, 8, 5, 6 and 284 now. So there are now three digits in the lower number. Again we'll proceed similar way. First we start with the lower number units digits. Multiply it with each digit individually from left to right. Write down the digit at units place and carry forward the digit at tens place. Next, pick up the tens digit but put a x or 0 in the units place, right? Again, when we pick the third number, that is 2, we have to put 2 times x or 2 times 0 and again write the individual products, something like this. Okay. Finally, when we are done with multiplication, we have to start adding. Adding we have already covered, so it should be very simple. 4, 8 to 10, carry forward 1. Same way, right? There is no difficulty in this addition also. It is the same addition which we have covered earlier. So the product now that we get of 2856 and 284, these are bigger numbers this time, is 811104. Division basics. What is division? Division is the process of distributing or dividing a number or quantity into a given number of equal parts. It is opposite of multiplication. Example, you have 4 dozen bananas. Again we are taking the example of bananas. You want to distribute it equally between you and your sister. So How many bananas will each one get? So we will pull down the bananas now. Both can divide it into two parts or half. So you get 2 dozen or 24 bananas, and your sister too gets 2 dozen or 24 bananas, something like this. Terms. We will explain divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder with below example. You have 7 mangoes. This time we are taking example of mangoes. Okay, 7 mangoes in all. Now you want to divide it into 3 friends. So these are the 3 friends amongst which it has to be divided. How many mangoes does each friend get? So we will give one mango to each and repeat the process. Okay, so all have got 1 mangoes. Again, second mango everyone is getting. Okay, third one, now last one we cannot divide, so everyone gets 2 mangoes each. Are any mangoes left? Yes, there is a blinking mango. 1 mango is left. Now divisor is the number into which quantity is to be divided. Here divisor are 3 friends. Dividend, it is the quantity to be divided. Here it is 7 mangoes. Quotient, the quantity that is divided equally. Here it is 2 mangoes. Remainder, it is the remaining quantity. Here it is 1 mango. Division mathematically. For single digit number division, you need to by heart multiplication tables. These multiplication tables will be used here for dividing any two numbers. We will demonstrate division using an example. Let us divide 254 by 9. First, write down the dividend and divisor alongside. Separate them with a line and draw a line above to note the quotient, something like this. So 254, we draw 2 lines and draw the divisor. Unlike multiplication, we start division from leftmost digit and progress towards immediate right digits. We will be using multiplication tables for division. First, since the rightmost digit, that is 2, is lesser than divisor 9, take two rightmost digits, that is 25. Divide 25 by 9, check multiplication of 9 and go till a product which is just less than 25. 9 3s are 27. 27 is greater than 25, so we take the previous product from multiplication table. It is 9 2s are 18. Let us put 2 in quotients place and 18 for subtraction, like this. Now subtract 18 from 25 to get 7 and write down the digit 7 below 18. Okay, bring down one digit from immediate right, so bring down 4 to make the number 74, like this. Okay, now divide 74 by 9. 9 8s are 72. Write 8 in quotients place, write down 72 for subtraction. Okay, now subtract 72 from 74 to put down the remainder as 2. So when 254 is divided by 9, we get 28 as quotient and 2 as remainder. Okay guys, please pause the video to understand the logic. If needed, please replay this portion of video. It is important to understand this logic. Using this logic, you can divide any two numbers. Once you are sure of this logic, let us proceed further. Division examples. We will practice dividing bigger numbers here with two examples. Below we are rephrasing the steps required to complete the division. First, write down the dividend and divisor alongside. Separate them with a line and draw a line above to note the quotient. Start by dividing leftmost digit of dividend by divisor. Keep using digits on right while repeating division. If the digits to be divided are less than divisor, then bring down next from right side of dividend. In such a case, add 0 to the quotient. For dividing these digits, use the multiplier or quotient, which gives the maximum multiplication but less than the digits. For example, with digit 46 and divisor 9, multiplier 5 gives the maximum multiplication 45, which is also less than digits, that is 46. Now put this multiplier in the quotient and subtract the multiplication from digits. Carry down next digits or immediate right from the dividend and put it on right of digits from subtraction of previous steps. Repeat the above steps till you reach end of digits in dividend. Difference remains at the end is called remainder and quotient is noted above the line. Okay guys, now we'll proceed with the example dividing 856 by 8. So 8 ones are 8, down is 0, we carry down 5. Now 5 is less than 8, so we carry down one more number which is 6, so we have to put 0 in the quotient. Okay, now 8 sevens are 56, so quotient is 107 and remainder is 0. Example 2, divide 709 by 7. Again 7 ones are 7, we carry down 0 but we cannot divide, so we have to bring down 9, but this time put 0 in the quotient. Okay, 7 ones are 7, so 2 we get. So 101 is the quotient and remainder is 2. Right guys? Thank you for watching this video. We are a fast growing channel and we post new learning videos regularly. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Your likes and subscribes give us an extra drive to keep going at a strong pace. Thank you.